everybody, Lucinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. Today we are going to be working with the Magic Peacock Series of micas from Woody's Goodies. And the reason I decided to do this is because I have actually created this tumbler before in a different video. I will link to that below if you're interested. This time, not only do I want to try again because it was so beautiful last time, but I noticed the last time I was scrolling through Woody's Goodies mica powders that they took the Magic Peacock Series micas and they mixed them with alcohol. You can buy these micahols ready-made from Woody's Goodies directly. You don't have to get the bottles and the alcohol and mix it all yourself if you don't want to. They don't call them micahols. Apparently I'm still the one doing that, but they have them in mica-hol form, so you can buy them this way. Go right to making your tumbler. No mixing necessary. I think that's awesome. In celebration of that, I figured we would do another tumbler featuring the Magic Peacock Series. So here we go. I am going to mix up some KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV. I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to drop on my Magic Peacock micahols and hit it with some heat and do some tilting and all that fun stuff that we usually do. And we're going to see what we get. So sit back and enjoy the show.
We're breaking in here to bring you this special announcement from Lucinda's Magic Hands. Did you know that you can get actual, authentic Lucinda merch? Well, it's true, you can. And what's so special about these items, you may ask? For starters, the t-shirts are made with a special blend of cotton and unicorn tears, so they're extra soft and magical. These designs are all based on Lucinda's personal philosophy, that the key to happiness is to eat pizza, pet dogs, and wear comfortable clothing. And where can you find these and so many other amazing merch items? On the merch shelf below each Lucinda video, or use the merch link in the description area. For an alarmingly limited time, we have a new Lucinda's merch shipping option available. Whatever you order from Lucinda's merch store will be carefully packaged by Elon Musk, launched in his SpaceX penis rocket, which will lose control and blow up over your exact location. Fire retardant boxes cost extra. Oh, and one more thing. There's a special Lucinda channel membership available now, with great perks for the members that no one else gets. Look for the join button or the join link in the description. Of course, there's never any obligation and you can cancel at any time. Now back to our video.
Okay, we're back. Let's see what we got. Ooh, oh my God, it's gorgeous. Okay, we'll see if this works a little better. I've got some daylight coming in from the window. I've got all the lights on. What I want to show you is the depth. I talked about this last time I did this type of tumbler. It's like streams of chiffon and shimmer. It's just the most gorgeous thing up close and personal. No matter how hard I try to light this right and everything, I just don't think I have the camera power to pull it off. But oh my God, this thing is so beautiful. I was going to do something else, like a decal, like a great big peacock feather on it or something, because it's, you know, Magic Peacock Series, right? But I don't want to cover it with anything. I really don't. I want to leave it just like it is. I will be listing this probably on my Etsy store. I already have a galaxy tumbler. I don't think this looks like a galaxy. I think this looks like something else altogether. I'm not sure what, like streams of shimmering chiffon. But anyway, when I list things on my Etsy site, unless there's a very specific reason for a theme, I usually leave it kind of open-ended so people can put a name on it or a saying they want on it and not have it predetermined for them because of something I think that maybe they don't agree with. So that's my reasoning for not always finishing my tumblers, because I don't always want to finish them. I want the customer to finish it. I just think this is the most beautiful thing. I'm absolutely head over heels in love with it. Look, I mean, look at that. Look at the colors. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, so we are going to do a sunshine shot. I haven't put any 504 on this cup at all. If I were going to sell it as is, nothing else on it, I would put at least one more layer of resin on it. I probably would not add 504 unless I was specifically asked for a glittery look to it. Then I would add a little bit of 504 to sparkle. Otherwise, I think it's perfect just the way it is. If somebody wants their name on it, I would put that on now, and then I would do couple more layers of resin over top, and then it would be done. But this is what it would look like, and it's gorgeous. So let's go see the sunshine shot. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, but don't go away.